HMT was provided with land of extent 443 acres. It was all forest land long back, before 1980. And you all know that Forest Conservation Act came in Karnataka sometime 76, 77. Then in 1980 it came in Government of India. Unfortunately, there are a lot of violations of Forest Conservation Act. Meanwhile, the HMT, the company, which was an industry, they have sold big portion of land to various people, including public undertakings and to some very reputed, known institutions, and also to many private people. And they have not bothered whether they are selling forest land, they are selling what type of land. They somehow were callous. I can only say that they were callous when selling that property. And they have sold around 160 acres of land also. It is there the whole issue has come now, and 180 acres is a total forest land, and it has not lost the character of forest. Our forest minister has taken serious objection for HMT to sell that forest land. Nobody can sell the forest land without denotifying, without giving permission to the, without taking permission of relevant authorities. Now that 180 acres of land is total forest area, and 160 acres of land is land which is sold. In that also the major portion is forest land. That's why we are now withdrawing the IA.